Good morning. It is November 19th, 2025. I gotta be down in Tijuana in a couple days. I'm trying to get into more of a, edit for content of like that day or of that event. Let's go get something to eat. Yeah, let's just go get something to eat for right now. It is chilly this morning. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, we're here at the Mountain Quill Cafe. It's a pretty good restaurant. Good food at a great price. Good morning, how are you? I'm doing great.
Good. Can I get something to drink?
Yes, coffee, please.
We have a breakfast burrito on special this morning.
I was looking right at that.
Yeah.
Maybe I can have that.
Perfect. Sounds good.
And that was a good breakfast. Here at the Mountain Quail Cafe. I'm gonna head over to the tent store and get some junk food. I'm still just running through chords. E, C, G, A, D, F, B minor, A minor, D minor. Just running through them, moving my fingers around to try and keep up. So this Newsom B track, I just got songs up there that have the chords on it and play as you go. Problem is, it's still a little too fast for me. So I'm just practicing on. That's the only way I can see to pass this point is to just keep practicing, and I'm making headway. I'm just enjoying myself. I feel like I'm learning at a good pace, and that's all that counts. I got other things to do. I got laundry. Here at the RV park, the laundry building is way over there, but I have a restroom and a shower. And there's my restroom and shower right there. That's the thing. So, not that far for my shower, but laundry is on the other side of the park. Looks like we got a nice blue sky. I couldn't find anybody that had the shade tarp, but I only just went to one place, so okay. Good morning. It is November 20th, and I've got to head to TJ. The ex-wife has an appointment on Friday and then again on Monday. Alright, I gotta put my bike up, a couple little things, and I should be out of here real shortly. That's gorgeous. Alright, we're here at the Walmart. We're gonna pick up some pillows, iron, and some other stuff. Oh, sorry. Good morning, everybody. This is MaxCaf, Mobile American Cross Country for Adventures in Freedom. I'm Derek Bentley. This morning, we're taking a little walk in Tijuana. Let's see what road I'm on. Alright, I'm heading east on Cali Ignacia Zaragoza Avenue. Anyway, just out for a walk. And if we happen to see something, we'll film it. Here in Tijuana, you got the OXXO corner stores. They are everywhere. Worse than 7-Eleven, I guess. Alright, that looks like it's going to be all for me for today. So, if you enjoyed it, subscribe, like, comment below. So here in the next couple days, I'm going to be heading to Texas to take care of some personal business. Y'all take it easy now.